Welcome to Panbit.
On your device, find the Panbit app and click on it. The main screen gives you the opportunity to log in or sign up. The Sign Up button is in the bottom right corner. In the Sign Up section, you will have to add an email, a username, and a password. Password should contain 8 characters with at least 1 capital letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Make sure to check that you have read the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Press Sign Up. To create a profile, write your name and last name. Then enter your phone number and finally upload a picture for your profile. Or skip this step. Add an accountability partner, the email of someone that can support you and encourage you when needed. This person will receive emails with how well you are doing weekly. Now your profile has been created. Choose your plan in between free, monthly, and annual. Remember that some features will not work in the free plan. After subscribing, the app will give you the opportunity to allow contact access. This is used just to find your friends already using the app for possible friend challenges. And you are done. Now you are in the main page of Panbit. Enjoy changing your habits.